The closest thing which comes to free money is TikTok organic. You literally make money out of thin air. You post videos, people see those videos, people click on the videos, they buy from your store, and you literally made money out of nothing. It's such an incredible opportunity with the algorithms we have right now. And today we're going to talk about exactly that. This is going to be part 2 of the TikTok organic series. If you didn't see the last video, I would highly recommend that because we talked about product research. We're going to cover a bunch of different things. The biggest concern everybody has in the beginning is they cannot put their link in their bio. They need 1,000 followers on TikTok to even put it in there, meaning that they first have to go viral to be able to do that. And here's the beauty of it. Before you go viral, you don't even need a link. Even if you have a link in the bio and you don't reach the first 1,000 followers, you're still not going to get any sales. So the concern of itself basically can just be thrown out of the window. You need to try to go viral. That's the main goal. And there are a lot of tactics on how to put call to actions in the video to followers. However, that's nothing I would always recommend. If you're starting out and you actually start having some call to actions where you constantly say, for the first 1,000 followers, we're giving away the first 10 pieces or something like that. If you do that, TikTok will start recommending your videos to the completely wrong audience. And that's a big issue. So probably I would honestly recommend you to stay away from all of those things. The main objective is just go viral, understand how to make good content, and that's it. Don't worry about this. Second, how do you not get shadow banned? Obviously, there are accounts which are shadow banned. That's out of question. However, they are more rare than you actually might think. Because in 90% of the cases, your content sucks and it's also not you being shadow banned. This is a very simple trap you can fall into, and you basically blame everything on you being shadow banned versus you not being able to do good content. The main thing you need to understand about shadow bans is real shadow bans are just gonna give you like 1 view or 0 views, or like constantly are gonna cap you at 100 views or something like that. It's gonna be a consistent line of you having the same amount of views no matter what you do. And by the way, you need to post at least like 10 to 20 videos before you even can judge anything like that. So if you don't have that, if you don't have a consistent line of all your videos having only one amount of views, basically blame yourself 100% and take accountability and try to make your content better. Also, the next thing, I have something very special for you because constantly so many people are asking me, I am not living in the US, I want to sell to the US, and I know that most accounts only go viral if they are US accounts. So how do I actually set up my account in a way where that actually is the case without living in the US? So right now, if you DM me on Instagram, I'm just going to send you a sheet with a full tutorial on how to actually do that. It's a very simple SIM card VPN setup, which you set up and that's done. The next thing I want to tell you here is one crucial mistake I'm seeing a lot of people do. They put in a lot of time in making their store without having a proven concept on TikTok. If you ask the top organic guys, they don't even create a store before they see some kind of traction. So to start testing a product, you don't even need to create the store. Only thing you need to create is the TikTok account. And by the way, it's very important to not only create a TikTok account, but also do Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts and all of those things. It's important to tackle the things from all angles. And here, keep in mind that, for example, Shorts behave a little bit differently. You're basically going to have to post a lot of things, and tons of the videos are going to have like 0 or 1 view until something pops off. Okay, that's something normal. Alright, so let's emphasize one thing here. You're not going to be able to do TikTok organic if you don't have at least like minimum 3-4 hours per day, every day consistently, which you can invest into TikTok. You will need to film a bunch of things, edit a bunch of things, upload, and it's definitely a big task overall. So one thing you need to forget is passive income. This is not passive income until you hired a bunch of people who are going to do content for you, who are going to do editing for you, who are going to post everything for you. Before you have that set up, it's not passive at all. So let's talk about how the day-to-day life of a TikTok organic person looks like. The foundation of everything, you need to constantly be searching for products. Number 2 is idea research. You're constantly going to have to think, how do I make better content? What kind of ideas, what kind of stories, what kind of things in general can I film to go viral? And by the way, we're going to cover that in depth in the next video, where we're going to talk about specifically content only on how to make amazing banger videos. The next thing you're going to have to do is content creation. Actually going out there and filming the videos by yourself. This is also crucial, and if you're too good for that and you basically think, I don't want to do that, I'm going to outsource that. No. You have no clue how to do all of this. You need to do this first by yourself. You're going to have to film. If you don't want to film, don't even start with organic. The next thing is editing. You're gonna have to edit all the videos you film by yourself and make them nice. Then you're gonna have to constantly be uploading on every platform. And if you go hard, you're gonna have to upload like 3 times a day on each platform. So that's also something to keep in mind. And the last thing you're gonna do is just manage all the back end when the things go viral. When the product actually starts succeeding and you start seeing the numbers, you're gonna have to start optimizing all the back end, doing the upselling, managing the store, doing all the customer support, doing all of those things which you normally do in dropshipping. But you first have to get there. And I know all of this together might seem very overwhelming. However, we're going to cover all of this step by step in the next videos. I'm going to teach you how to make good content, how to do proper editing, how to think of good ideas for videos. All of those things we're going to handle. I want you to subscribe to this channel right now because it's very important that you don't miss the next videos if you're actually serious about organic. But I have to emphasize this again. It's not easy. TikTok organic is not an easy task. It can be a money printer after you put in the work and really understand how to go viral. The skill of going viral is something which you're not gonna unlearn. And literally it doesn't matter what happens to you if you know how to go viral. Even if drop shipping is gonna die out at some point for whatever reason, you will make money. Every single company out there needs good videos and you're going to be able to provide them. So the investment of you being able to make good content, it's just so valuable. And if you actually want to learn that step by step from me, you can also click the link below and sign up for a free call with me personally, and we're going to find out if everything is a good fit. If yes, we're going to just start working in the mentoring program where I'm going to guide you through the entire process. I'm going to just walk you step by step through the entire process of finding a good product. So I'm going to look at the products you basically show me. I'm going to tell you this is a good product, this is bad, test this, don't test that. I'm going to look at the content and we're going to constantly review all of it. If you're interested, click the link below and I will talk to you very soon.